back to the channel, ladies. I'm Dr. Phoenyx, and today is going to be a short and sweet video that's going to answer a question that some of you have probably had about your chocolate cravings during your period. So here's the thing, ladies. First and foremost, what I want you to know is your chocolate craving during your period is totally healthy. And it's an indication of two big things. Number one, a nutritional deficiency, and number two, your desire to make a particular hormone, namely dopamine. So when it comes to nutritional deficiency, it's namely magnesium. Chocolate is rich in magnesium, and during our menstrual cycle, our body starts to crave more magnesium. We become deficient in it, just transiently deficient, or you might have been deficient before your period, but chocolate is a great way to get that, and our body recognizes that. That's why we start to crave the chocolate. And then secondly, chocolate contains a chemical known as PEA, that's phenylethylamine, for all of you nerds in the house. And basically our body takes this PEA and it helps to produce more dopamine. And some of you have probably heard about dopamine, which is a feel-good hormone. So ultimately, chocolate is a nice way to help soothe our bodies and then also nourish our bodies during our menstrual cycle. So now you know why you are craving chocolate during your period. And then also, as I said, chocolate can be a great way to get these neurochemicals into our bodies, or these chemicals, namely PEA, and then also nutrients like magnesium. So chocolate in itself can be very healthy. So I don't want you guys to freak out or feel bad when you consume more chocolate during your menstrual cycle. The key is you want to go for healthier sources of chocolate. So what I'm going to do is leave a couple of chocolate smoothie recipes for you guys. So if you don't want to go for like the candy bars, obviously that's not the healthiest source of chocolate, I'm gonna leave some smoothie recipes, some chocolate smoothie recipes with some yummy ingredients. Click the link down in the description box below for those recipes. It's gonna be quite a few recipes, so a nice little variety for you guys who like smoothies and who like chocolate. And then also, as a bonus, I'm gonna leave a couple of health and nutritional benefits of chocolate for those of you who are just curious to learn more about why chocolate is good for you, so you can start incorporating more chocolate into your diet if you feel like it, or if you eat chocolate now, this is going to be a nice way to ease some of that guilt. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, it is my pleasure. Stay awesome, stay beautiful, much love, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye bye, ladies.